Hello, health enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the refreshing world of weight loss smoothies. But what makes a smoothie a great ally in your weight loss journey? Well, they are convenient, packed full of nutritional value, and have the potential to aid weight loss when incorporated into a balanced diet. Smoothies are easy to make. You just need some fruits, vegetables, a liquid base, and a blender. They can be whipped up in a matter of minutes, making them a perfect option for those busy mornings or when you need a quick snack during the day. More than convenience, smoothies offer a powerhouse of nutrients. They are a great way to consume various fruits and vegetables, providing your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Moreover, when made right, smoothies can be a satisfying low-calorie meal replacement, aiding in weight loss. Today, we will introduce you to 3 delicious smoothie recipes that are full of flavor, nutrients, and weight loss potential. Stay tuned as we delve into our first recipe that's as delicious as it is beneficial for weight loss. Kickstarting our smoothie journey is the Green Goddess Smoothie, a powerhouse of nutrients. Now let's dive right into the recipe. The first ingredient we'll need is spinach. Spinach is a leafy green superfood, rich in iron and packed with fiber. This helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system, and the high fiber content aids in keeping you feeling full longer, thus reducing unnecessary snacking. Moving on, the next ingredient is the creamy and dense avocado. This fruit is a wonderful source of healthy fats and fiber, which can help you feel satiated and curb your appetite. Plus, it adds a smooth texture to our smoothie, making it a treat for the palate. Next up, we have the tropical and juicy pineapple. This fruit not only adds a refreshing sweet and tangy flavor to our smoothie, but is also a powerhouse of vitamin C and bromelain. Vitamin C boosts your immunity and bromelain aids digestion, both of which are essential when you're on a weight loss journey. Now, let's blend these ingredients together. Start with a handful of spinach, half an avocado, and a cup of chopped pineapple. To this, add a cup of your preferred liquid. It could be water, almond milk, or coconut water. The choice is entirely yours and depends on your taste preference. Blend all these ingredients until smooth. The end result should be a creamy, vibrant green smoothie. This is the Green Goddess Smoothie, your perfect partner in your weight loss journey. But wait, we're not done yet. To give our smoothie an extra nutrient kick, sprinkle some chia seeds or flax seeds on top. These seeds are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, which further enhance the health benefits of our smoothie. There you have it, our Green Goddess Smoothie, a delicious way to start your day and assist in your weight loss journey. Enjoy this nutrient-rich, tasty delight and feel the difference it makes to your health and well-being. Next up, we have the Berry Blast Smoothie, a perfect blend of antioxidants and flavor. This luscious smoothie is more than just a delight to your taste buds. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can aid in weight loss, while keeping you energized and refreshed. Let's start with the ingredients. We'll need a cup of mixed berries, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a splash of water or almond milk. The mixed berries are the star of this recipe, and for good reason. They are packed with antioxidants which help to fight inflammation in the body. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are also high in fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied longer. Next, we have Greek yogurt. This creamy addition not only gives our smoothie a rich texture but also provides a good dose of protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and it's also known to keep hunger at bay. Plus, Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. The final touch to our Berry Blast smoothie is a dollop of honey. Honey is a natural sweetener that adds a hint of sweetness without the empty calories of refined sugar. It also has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can aid in digestion and boost immunity. To prepare this smoothie, simply toss all the ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. If you like your smoothie a bit thicker, feel free to add more Greek yogurt or less liquid. If you prefer it thinner, add more water or almond milk. Once you've achieved your desired consistency, pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy. But the magic of this smoothie doesn't stop at its incredible taste. With every sip, you're fueling your body with nutrients that not only help you lose weight, but also keep your immune system strong, your skin glowing, and your energy levels high. And that's the Berry Blast Smoothie, a refreshing weight loss ally packed with antioxidants. So, go ahead, give it a try, and experience the burst of flavors and health benefits this smoothie has to offer. Last but not least, we bring you the Tropical Twist Smoothie, a weight loss treat that will transport you to a beach with every sip. This exotic smoothie is a blend of vibrant tropical fruits, each packing a powerful nutritional punch. The recipe is simple, requiring only 3 main ingredients: ripe mango, coconut water, and chia seeds. Let's begin with the star of our tropical ensemble, the mango. This succulent fruit is not only a rich source of vitamin C and fiber, but it also contains an enzyme called amylase. Amylase breaks down complex carbs into sugars, which helps with digestion and weight loss. Next, we have coconut water. Don't confuse it with coconut milk though. Coconut water is a clear liquid found in the center of young green coconuts. It's low in calories yet rich in potassium and antioxidants. Plus, it adds a refreshing natural sweetness to our smoothie. Finally, we sprinkle in some chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. By expanding in your stomach, they help you feel fuller for longer, reducing your overall calorie intake. Now, onto the smoothie making. Start by peeling and dicing a ripe mango. Place the mango pieces into your blender, followed by a cup of chilled coconut water. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds and blend until smooth. If you prefer a colder smoothie, feel free to add a handful of ice cubes before blending. As the blender whirs, you'll see the ingredients transform into a vibrant, creamy smoothie, the color of a tropical sunset. Pour it into a glass, pop in a straw, and voila, the tropical twist smoothie is ready. It's a delightful mix of sweet, tangy, and refreshing flavors. Not only does it taste like a vacation in a glass, but it also supports your weight loss journey by keeping you full and satisfied. Now you have your tropical twist smoothie, a tropical delight that aids in weight loss. Enjoy this smoothie as a healthy breakfast or a post-workout treat. It's a delicious way to nourish your body and aid your weight loss journey. With these 3 weight loss smoothie recipes in your repertoire, you're well on your way to a healthier lifestyle. Let's take a quick jog down memory lane to recap what we've blended together today. First, we had the Green Goddess smoothie, a powerhouse of nutrients with spinach, avocado, and cucumber. This smoothie not only helps in shedding those extra pounds but also gives a boost to your immunity. Remember, the hint of lime and apple helps balance the flavors and adds a zesty punch. Next, we dove into the world of antioxidants with the Berry Blast smoothie. The mix of blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries is a sweet treat that's packed with fiber and vitamin C. This smoothie is not only great for weight loss but is also a fantastic way to give your skin a healthy glow. Lastly, we brought the sunshine indoors with the Tropical Twist smoothie. With the natural sweetness of pineapples and mangoes and the creaminess of bananas, this smoothie is a delightful tropical getaway in a glass. It's a fantastic way to kickstart your metabolism first thing in the morning. Remember, these recipes are just the beginning. Feel free to mix and match ingredients, add your favorite superfoods, or even throw in a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. Each smoothie is flexible and can be adjusted to suit your taste buds and nutritional needs. Let these recipes inspire you, not constrain you. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with flavors and textures. After all, the goal here is not only to lose weight, but also to enjoy the journey and develop a love for healthy, nutritious food. So, grab your blender, gather your favorite fruits and veggies, and get blending. We can't wait to hear about the unique and delicious smoothies you come up with. We hope you enjoyed this journey through weight loss smoothies. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep blending.